G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Thursday, the 26th of February. And as I've been talking about all week, that tropical low will continue to bring heavy rain and thunderstorms across large parts of Queensland, South Australia, New South Wales, with heavy falls and severe weather warnings current there. Further afield, rain and storms continuing across much of our tropical north. Showers also increasing along much of the east coast of New South Wales and Queensland, while high pressure down south of Tasmania will bring a windy but drier day through Tasmania, Victoria, southern South Australia, and also into parts of WA as well, while that west coast trough you see over in WA will be bringing warm and dry conditions there. But let's look at all of that in more detail. Firstly, in Queensland, where we're going to see those showers starting to increase along coastal parts of southeastern and central Queensland during the afternoon and evening hours. But our main focus will be this low pressure system well off near the NT Queensland border, bringing another round of heavy rain and severe thunderstorms with heavy falls causing flash flooding. We're also likely to see cooler temperatures thanks to this onshore flow for coastal areas and also cloud and rain out through western parts of Queensland. Brisbane looking at 30 degrees before those showers move in during the afternoon and evening. Moving down into New South Wales, again, we're going to see those showers start to pick up for our coastal areas of New South Wales as those winds tend more onshore. Could see a few storms in that as well. While further afield, showers and thunderstorms also picking up through inland parts of New South Wales, with heavy falls likely through northwestern parts of New South Wales, and severe weather warnings are current there. Also note, we're starting to see an increase in rainfall through northeastern New South Wales as well, thanks to those onshore flow and showers in southeast Queensland. Sydney looking at a showery 25 degrees with cooler conditions there. Canberra even cooler as well, 22 degrees with cloudy skies there. Moving down into Victoria, and while we had pretty busy weather earlier in the week, it's going to be a warm and humid one on Thursday for much of the state. Could see a few showers and thunderstorms though through northern and eastern parts of the state as that tropical moisture continues to linger through northern and eastern parts of the state. While along southern parts of Victoria, we can see those cooler southerly winds, bringing those cooler temperatures and partly cloudy skies. Low to mid 20s in the south, high 20s to low 30s in the north. Melbourne looking at 26 degrees and cloudy skies there. Maybe some sunny breaks in the afternoon. Moving down into Tasmania, and we can see mild conditions for much of the state and fairly dry as well, apart from those morning showers across that western parts of Tasmania. Also see temperatures around the 20 degree mark statewide, maybe a little bit warmer though through northern inland parts. Hobart looking at a cloudy 20 degrees. Moving up into South Australia, and we're continuing to see that tropical low in the Northern Territory bring heavy rain and thunderstorms to northern and northeastern parts of South Australia on Thursday. Severe weather warnings are current there for heavy rainfall and damaging winds, and we're likely to see further heavy rainfall there on Thursday. Further south though, it will be a lot drier with those moderate, fresh and gusty south to southeasterly winds. Could see a few showers and storms also along the New South Wales SA border as well during the afternoon and evening. Adelaide looking at a partly cloudy and 32 degrees. Moving over into WA, we can see that west coast trough bringing those dry and sunny conditions and pretty warm conditions east of it through parts of inland WA. But notice our coastal areas looking a little bit cooler through southern areas and also western parts as well, just east of that trough, west of that trough, I should say. While further north, we're going to see that hot and sunny weather continue through parts of the Pilbara and southern Kimberley. Perth looking at a partly cloudy day and 32 degrees. And finally, across our tropical north, as you'd expect this time of year, widespread rain and thunderstorms from Cape York across the Gulf, all of the northern and central parts of the NT, and even into the Kimberley as well, with heavy falls likely. Also that tropical low continuing to bring heavy rainfall to much of eastern and southeastern Northern Territory as well, with heavy falls likely there. Temperatures a bit cooler though under the cloud and rain, only into the mid-20s, mid to high 20s to low 30s in the south, and low to mid 30s across the north before those showers and thunderstorms pop up in the afternoon and evening. Darwin looking at 32 degrees and showers and thunderstorms. So with all the weather likely across much of the country in the coming days, particularly for our inland areas with those severe weather warnings and heavy rainfall, make sure you get the latest forecasts and warnings for your location via our website and app, and we'll see you again here tomorrow.